Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today I'd like to read a poem by John Greenleaf Whittier. It's called Don't Quit. Don't quit. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when all is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint on the clouds of doubt, and you can never tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems far. So stick to the fight your heart is hit. It's when things go wrong that you must not quit.